Hello guys and welcome to episode 3 of My World. So today I'm going to be adding textures to my theme. I'm adding 3 tables so people can eat at these, and I'm going to be looking for vegan food. So I had to pause the other video and end it. So it didn't go on for the longest, but I'm going to be adding watermelons, carrots, apples, and super watermelons. Of course, I'm getting vegan-friendly foods only, and I only show meat when I'm team cats or anything. Sticky full of those, and you guys have probably seen what happened on my first bowl. Golden apples. Oh, I dropped those. So anyway, Call Me Cat is fun. It is basically, it's really interesting to see, a actual, fun to watch the show. So basically, yes, I am a Christian, and I do really love God, and I am going to admit, I have done Christian projects on stress, and yes, I'm a Mario Maker, and most of you guys probably have watched me on Mario Maker before. So basically, you guys go to my YouTube channel if you're on Mario Maker and view this video, because it will have some really good details. I'm just adding a roof to my place, and my house will be done. Ta-da! My beloved house. So basically, this will be my house. It is the most prettiest camera cafe I've made. I'm so good at this game, and in fact, I'm actually pretty good at Minecraft. And visually, I'm really good at it. So basically, I really do like Minecraft. And you guys will see you guys will see live streams. Guess what, guys? I'm going live sometime soon. In a few days, I might go live for Minecraft Dozens and Zelda Breath of the Wild. I will go live, and probably for Zone and most live streams go on for. So basically, I'll be going down here, and see, I made a heart out of lava. And look at all the stuff. I actually made that from, it looked like a heart, I just needed to extract a few parts of it, and it looks exactly like a heart. So basically, my videos on this series has been 5 to 6 minutes on so far, but I'm gonna make this one maybe longer than my first one. So basically, I'm gonna be hanging out with my sheeps too. Hi sheepies, how you doing? I'm doing great. Pikachu! Look at you guys, you're doing so good. Hello, I'm Eevee. Hello, I'm a Shorter. Hello, I'm a Charmander. Hello, I'm a Pikachu. That's the old. So anyway, so now let's hang out with the cats and eat some food. It's easy to eat in this game. I'm gonna get some tasty watermelons for today. Yum, so good. I'm going to make this one longer than any of my episodes so far. So, I haven't posted a second one that. I will post that one. Yum. So, now let's go out of the Call Me Cat Cafe and go out and enjoy my world. Listening to music. Nanny 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 nan nan nan. Nanny 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 nan nan nan. Nanny 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 nan nan nan. Nanny nanny nan 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 nan. Nanny nan 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 nanny ni nan 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 nanny ni nan 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 nan. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Newsflash, the dog is probably 12 now. Anyway, same age as me. So anyway, that was me making all my iron. So far, I wanted, so I'm going to be making Mimi a Netto area for Netto fans in my world. So let's get started with it. Okay, so how was Christmas? I made Christmas cookies for Jesus for his birthday. We actually don't know when his birthday is, but still. And it was so sweet Christmas, and I did toy dip really at almost midnight, and actually did it at sometime in midnight. But I had to quit actually halfway. Wanna why? Cause I had to go to bed. I slept for like 3 hours. I was having sleep issues, but now I'm taking Torbea and I haven't had sleep issues. Now let's go to the trees in my Netto area. Oh, just wait. It's a certain block where you can put this Netto stuff on. Is it this block? It might be. Built. No. No, but still. So basically, this is the Netto area for Netto fans. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!